Hello, Mr. Max chemistry class. Today we are going to make twice baked potatoes. First, you gotta wash the potatoes. Okay, next you have to preheat the oven to 400.
So, please. Press that.
Get out of the shot. We're good. Alright, next, you gotta stab 8 to like 12 holes, so like 3 stabs with a fork in it. Like ½ inch deep, so really get in there. Next, we gotta put oil on the potatoes. Isn't that right, Kusamano?
Yes.
You're good. When you're done putting oil on the potatoes, you gotta lather them.
Oh yeah.
All around. Alright, next you have to add the salt to add flavor, and of course we'll add pepper after. The oil to make it crispier, and Rone. I have the bloopers like this. Alright, then we gotta put in the potatoes at 400 for like 50 to 60 minutes. Alright, now that these bad boys are cooking, that means it's an endothermic reaction. That means they are absorbing heat. Now, as you may know, everything is made of atoms, me, these potatoes, and according to the kinetic molecular theory, all of the molecules in here, now that they're heating up, are moving faster.
So, fun fact, you may think potatoes are actually basic, but they're acidic. They're from 5.4 to 5.9 on the pH scale.
And as we are cooking the bacon, as it starts to burn and crispen up, it is a chemical change. Next, you want to take all the potatoes you cooked and cut them in half. This is a physical change because even though the form is changing, the chemical structure is not changing. A stick of butter and a stick of cream cheese and dice them.
Okay.
Butter?
Yeah, we cut it with butter. Both of them before the potatoes. Just dump them in there.
Should we have the bacon now or later?
Later.
Okay, now we're scooping out the potatoes. So 1. Woo. Okay.
You have to continue and make sure not to puncture the skin.
Don't worry about him.
Yeah, he's fine.
Stop the shot.
The couch would be pretty better, you know. Just go there.
Alright, so you want to add about a full packet of Valley Ranch seasoning. I can open it. We have a little bit of trouble.
Do with love.
So the whole thing of that. You want to add salt to pepper to your taste. And pepper as well. You want to mix it with a electric hand mixer. Make sure not to get it everywhere like I am.
Smells good.
It does. After you mix it, you might notice that it may be a little dry, so you want to add either heavy whipping cream or in this case sour cream to it, just until it becomes less.
Oh, you're awake.
Oh my god, you're alive. Okay.
You just slumped. Now get back to work.
Yeah.
Oh.
We thought you died.
Yeah.
Well,
that happened.
oh, help us mix at least, okay?
Yeah. So
Okay.
you want to do that?
What do you need me to do?
We need to mix it.
Okay, what am I doing? Now we gotta put in all the cheese.
Or as much as you like.
A lot.
All
We're
of it.
going all of it, so deal with it. Now we mix it?
Mix it.
Okay.
Next, after you mix in all the cheese, add the bacon and fold them with a spoon. After all of it is mixed, you have to put it back into the potatoes. As we put it in, you will notice that it stays about the same that you can put in the potato because of the conservation of mass, saying that matter cannot be created nor destroyed, so it will be equal. After they're all stuffed, you have to put them back in the oven at 375 this time. For about 20 minutes. Alright, once the timer is done, you want to sprinkle a little bit more cheese in there and put it in there for just a little bit longer. Just until the cheese starts melting.
Good.
Oh.
So they should be good now. You know when they're done when the cheese you added earlier starts to crispen up. And we were gonna make more. we won't have enough for the whole class, but because we couldn't make more, we could add another scientific fact. The ranch packet, the ranch flavoring, was our limiting reactant. We didn't have enough to make another portion.
Yeah.
So, everyone.